Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Medicube Zero Pore Pad. This product retails for $21. I've seen so many people talking about this product. I think this is the IT skincare product at the moment, and I can't wait to try it for that reason to see if the hype is justified behind it. It looks to be a more complex treatment, but still a low and gentle concentration of actives, 4.5% AHA and 0.45% salicylic acid. I'm not the biggest fan of toner pads, but sometimes for exfoliation they can be nice. Going into this with an open mind just to see how it performs, what I notice with it, a lot I want to see with this formula since so many people rave about it, and it is a best-selling product from Medicube. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They do use a lot of essential oils in here, some of which have caused sensitivity really bad with me. Orange peel oil, lemon peel oil, some of those have caused some sensitivity in the past. Haven't tried a product with those recently, so I will be curious to see if I do experience sensitivity with that. If you are sensitive, be mindful. Check out the full ingredients and click the link in the description. Go to their website. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. Big things I'm going to be looking for: do I experience sensitivity? How do these toner pads work for my skin? And how often can I use them? Also, what results do I see with them if I do notice any? As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-in. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in. Also my first impression with these toner pads. I will let you know, smelt them. This is loaded with fragrance, which I assume based off the ingredient list smells like a lot of essential oils. So just be mindful if you are sensitive. I haven't tried a toner pad in a while, and I wanted to try these out because they are best selling, just to see how they work for me. Seen mixed reviews about these, so we will see. Typical toner pad fashion, they have a smooth and a bumpy side. Since I don't know what my tolerance is gonna be, I'm gonna go in with the smooth side first. Sometimes the bumpy side can give a little bit of exfoliation, so let's see how this feels on the skin. Ooh. Ooh. Feeling some initial burning. Okay. Not the worst. A little bit of initial stinging and tingling sensation. This could happen with some AHA style products, but I've also got to be careful because sometimes toner pads like this with these essential oils have been a sensitivity causer for me. It's been really hit or miss. So far, I'm experiencing just a little bit of sensitivity. Not bad with redness, which I'm very thankful for. My skin's been doing great lately, knock on wood. We will just see if this stinging or sensitivity does persist. It does have an AHA in it. It's a very gentle AHA. I will be seeing if that's just initial sensitivity or if this is just something that I'm not gonna be able to use, because this stinging is pretty intense. It's like a, ooh, wake up to the face a little bit, but we will see. I'm gonna continue using it, seeing how it continues to perform, and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. These toner pads have been causing so much sensitivity. I stopped using them after about 3 days because my skin was just turning so red. After the initial sensitivity calmed down, my skin stayed inflamed after using it. I wasn't sure if it was just what my skin was going through at the time, but through more consistent use, I discovered it was this product. And I honestly think it is the essential oils that they used in here, and sadly I am sensitive to those. I've been hit or miss with the lemon peel, with the orange peel oils. I don't personally feel like they would be designed for sensitive and sensitized skin. I'm iffy on essential oils. Sometimes I don't have an issue with them. Sometimes I really have bad sensitivity like I did with this. So I didn't get to fully test out the benefits of this product, which I'm really disappointed about. It's a well-loved product, and I honestly just do not get the hype, mainly because it didn't work well for my skin, but also this is a very low active, which is good for more sensitive and sensitized skin. The essential oils in here could not be good for more sensitive and sensitized skin. So I'm not sure if it will work for everyone's skin type. Personally, I wouldn't recommend it. Some of the essential oils in this have also been known to cause really bad sensitivity with me in the past, and so I personally cannot recommend it. It was very fragrance heavy as well. well. If I were to go for a style of product like this, I would honestly opt for a serum. My personal favorite one at the moment is the Verse Mandelic Acid Serum. It has a little bit more of a gentle AHA derivative along with a gentle salicylic acid concentration as well that gets you that AHA BHA exfoliation. I am not personally someone who loves toner pads, so I'm not the best to recommend a toner pad recommendation for an alternative for this. I know Anua has toner pads that worked for my skin a long time ago, but I don't purchase toner pads that much. I just feel like they are a little bit wasteful. Honestly, I would rather just go for a serum. Get the same benefits with exfoliation, only without the waste that toner pads do create. I'm just always gonna have that opinion. I do love it sometimes for a splurge, but it's just not something that I personally invest in. These toner pads, I really don't, just because of how much redness and sensitivity I have experienced. You can still tell my nose is just a little bit red. I've just been experiencing redness around this area, which is odd because it's usually not my area that I struggle bad with sensitivity. It's usually my drier areas, which is the outer perimeter of my face. I did not enjoy this product. There really wasn't any redeeming qualities for me. Not to say that everyone who's using this isn't having a good experience with it, because that could be the case. It's just a case of how skin is different for everybody. If you do have sensitive or sensitized skin, I wouldn't recommend this just because of the heaviness that the fragrance has in these, and also just the toner pad aspect. I would just much rather go for a serum, and that is what I'm going to be going for over this. Also, the Verse serum did not cause any sensitivity whatsoever. You could also just go for a gentle AHA or BHA toner. I know Beauty of Joseon has a beautiful green plum toner. CosRX has a beautiful AHA BHA treatment. Very gentle, similar to this, without the waste and without the sensitivity that the fragrance personally caused for me in this formula. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. And I will see you all in the next review.